Hello, and I am Redfelfet, and this is the light switch. You know, a light switch can do only two things. It can be switched on, and it can be switched off. Of course, it will be a crazy idea if that light switch will be a tool to bring you in and out of trance. Isn't that right? It will be crazy if I just push that light down, turning the lights off, and then pushing the lights up to put the lights on. Could it also happen to your brain? Making it turn off and on, letting you think your brain react the same as the light switch, going on and off whenever I push the light switch up and down. You feel the need to wake up or drop into a trance. Now of course we should start somewhere, and that by imagination or by participation with the fidget cube. Yes, such a block mostly used to have something to fidget in your hand. It has a light switch on it, a little light switch button, so feel free to use that one if you have it. Now I advise you to sit or lay down, and whenever you've done that, we can start. Ready? Great. So imagine that light switch, or feel the one in your hand, and start to click on the down part of the light switch. By doing it, you close your eyes and feel the trance starting to happen. Now as you can feel how the trance can start, you click on the upper part. To come back up, click and wake up. See, it's simple. We click down and close our eyes. See, it's simple. We click down and close our eyes, and click up and open our eyes. But how more we will do this, how deeper you will drop into a trance, and how difficult it will get to wake up out of trance. It's a lovely fractionation, an experience to understand how the trance can feel, to understand better how your body works. So feel free to push the lower part of the switch, making your mind switch off and drifting off into a trance. Close your eyes and relax. It's all here for you. And as you are in a trance, you might feel a slight change, maybe in how your body feels, or the pace of your thoughts in your mind. It could be it's slowing down, isn't it? Push the upper part of the light switch and wake up out of trance. And as you start to notice how the trance works, you could push the light switch down, closing your eyes and feel the trance happening. You know, how longer we doing this, how easier it becomes to fall into a trance, and who knows, to wake up. Maybe it gets more difficult to wake up from a trance after getting fractionated so many times. But that is what we need to find out, isn't it? Because right now, you seem to be too much awake for that. So feel free to push the button down and feel what happened. It could happen almost automatically that your eyes close and a calming wave of relaxation spread through your body and your muscles. Just take the time to rest. It's almost heaven, isn't it? It is indeed. So feel free to take a deep breath in and deep breath out. Just letting the worries go and to push the upper part of the switch again to wake up. Now as you slowly understand how the trance works, we are going to speed it a little bit up because we are here to get fractionated, right? And the best way to get fractionated is to shorten the awaken time between the trance. So we start from up to down into a trance, and every time I wake you up, I will give you less time. Into your mind gets a bit confused whenever you are awake or in trance. And that is fun because every time I let you go into a trance, you will feel that you go. And that is fun because every time I let you go into a trance, you will feel that you go deeper into a trance, a stronger sensation of how a trance can feel. And you will eventually notice that when you want to wake up, you might feel it's getting more difficult to wake up with a clear mind. Your mind will feel more tired, groggy, maybe even have less thoughts than usual, and that is okay. We are here to get our minds melted anyway, so feel free to push the down part of the switch again and close your eyes. Feel how natural it goes to just allow yourself to let go and to feel that inner peace coming up. Maybe there are a few thoughts fighting against the idea or enjoying the sensation of what hypnosis can bring. And this feels nice, isn't it? Indeed. Push the upper button, darling. We can't have you forever in trance. Click, awake, very good. And push the down part of the switch to go down again. Click, drop into a trance, slow down. Feel how the trance is coming over, and it's getting easy, isn't it? To push the upper part of the switch to wake up. Oh, getting troubles waking up? You maybe want to push the down part of the switch again to drop back into a trance, letting go of the feeling awake and aware, to feel heavy and light at the same time, and to let go of any worries. Of course, what is the fractionation without waking up and going back into a trance? So push the upper part of the switch and wake up, awake and aware. Welcome back. How do you feel? Drifty? Sleepy awake? Or still have enough filled thoughts of our mind? We should fix that, don't you think? Why not push the down part of the light switch again and drop back into a trance. Deeper and deeper you go. Every time you drop back into a trance after switching the light off, after switching your brain off, all calm and relaxed. No one telling you what to do besides me. Wonderful, isn't it? The only thing what you have to do is to switch the upper part of the switch to wake up and to push the down part of the switch to drop back into a trance. You might notice that it is getting more and more easy to just drop into a trance, and by doing this, you're training yourself to act faster and faster to the suggestion to just drop into a trance and wake up out of trance. It's starting to become as easy as riding a bike. So feel free to push the upper part of the switch and wake up, to push the lower part of the switch and drop back into a trance. Just push the upper part, the lower part, and feel how you wake up and drop back into a trance in an instant. Just push again, up, down, upper part, lower part, in and out, up and down. And the funny part is, I'm just toying with you, letting your brain getting confused by what is awake and what is a trance. As a fractionation does its work, your mind gets in troubles to form a word, no need to think, or form a certain sentence. Just enjoy what is happening to you by switching your mind on, awake, aware, and energized, and switching it off, on and off, until through the wall fell, until the bell stops. You just switch your mind on and off, pushing the switch in, up and down, all the way down in a trance. No thoughts, no worries, just resting, relaxing, calming. No pesky thoughts at all, just enjoying how you feel right now. And that trance can feel so nice, isn't it? Just feeling so good. I wonder if your mind already has melted, or if it needs a little push. By pushing the switch up and down, waking up and going down back into a trance, pushing once again on the switch up and down, mindlessly obeying, having fun in the progress, clicking, pushing all the time until the end of the bell, up and down. Switching all the time, mind on and off, using the switch to wake up and go back into a trance, getting fractionated, mesmerized and tranced all the times, up and down, awake and trance, until your mind is meshed with thoughts and no thoughts, all together in your mind, and you can't stop now, just enjoy this trance. Eyes closed, mind to rest, musical relax, and switch up to wake up, to feel so aware, but you feel so blank, and fucking tell your mind better to push the button down again. Because giving yourself the time to feel the trance, so you can give yourself the time to feel the trance, to feel the warmth and just enjoy what all feels. And it is so nice, isn't it? Indeed, it gives you all the good feelings. You just can't be here at the moment. Who knows if the trance stay longer. But as the vows come to an end, I will be nice. You can keep enjoying the trance for well longer. And wake up on your own, or wake up after I finished my count up. That is totally on you. 1. Slowly waking up, letting go of the suggestions. 2. Thoughts returning back. 3. More aware. 4. Raising up. 5. Halfway there. 6. Eyes blinking. 7. More awake. 8. Almost there. 9. Eyes open. And 10. Waking up. Awake, aware and energized. Welcome back. I hope you had fun.